How did you organize 3 girls to sleep with you at one time? Well, it all started with a dare. My friends and I were hanging out and playing truth or dare when one of them dared me to sleep with 3 girls at once. At first I thought it was impossible, but then I had an idea. I knew 3 girls who were all into me, but they didn't know each other. So I made a plan. I invited them all over to my house on the same night and pretended that I had to leave for an emergency. I told them to wait for me in my room and not to leave until I got back. Then I went outside and texted each of them to come to my room at the same time. It worked like AA charm. They all showed up at the same time and I had a great time with them. It was the best night of my life and I felt like a king. A few days later, I found out that all 3 girls were dating each other. They had only agreed to sleep with me because they wanted to teach me a lesson about playing games with people's feelings.